Very simple changes in lifestyle can help you lose weight. Surely you can lose weight on a fast track by using fat diets, which will only leave you feeling hungry and deprived of food. But if you just lose weight and cannot maintain it for longer period of time, what is the point in losing weight? So if you are interested in losing weight without dieting, without torturing yourself, watch this video till end. Hi everyone, my name is Hari Shankar, husband of a beautiful and caring woman, father of a wonderful boy, and an IT professional turned weight loss coach and motivational speaker. Have helped hundreds of people lose weight globally, and today we would be talking about how you can lose weight without dieting. One of the common things which most of us do when we think of losing weight is start cutting down on the intake of food. Many of our times people even skip their breakfast, thinking that this will serve the purpose in terms of reducing the calorie intake. But you should never do that. You should have your breakfast, which should be highly nutritious in terms of all the vitamins, minerals and proteins. Take care of the protein intake mainly. You can have paneer, you can have eggs, you can have red poha, or you can have sprouted salads, which can definitely serve the purpose, but never skip your breakfast. And second thing, we should have a fixed time for our meals, mainly the dinner, because many times we see people keep prolonging their dinner time, sometimes 9, 10, 10:30. But if you really look at it, the time when you finish your dinner and the time when you go to bed, at least there should be a gap of 3.5 hours, maximum 3 to 3.5 hours. So if you eat by 10 o'clock and then go to bed by 11, 11:30 and 12, your food itself has not got digested. Whole night it would be, your digestive system would be working and you would be taking rest. So the best time to finish your dinner is before 8 o'clock, maximum by 8:30 p.m. And after that you should close your kitchen completely, no munching beyond that. Because somewhere we have to develop this discipline as well, because if you want to lose weight and keep it aside for longer period of time, it can never happen by chance. We only have to choose right things. One of the technique which I use is brushing my teeth after dinner. Chances are you will not have tendency to eat anything after that. And third, choose your liquid calories wisely. Sweetened drink only pile up the calorie, but it does not reduce the hunger. So sometimes when we get confused with our thirst signal and eat something solid, that also increases the calorie. So you can drink plenty of waters, you can drink coconut water, or you can have worst case 100% fruit juice. Eat more of fruits and vegetables. When we increase the quantity of low calorie fruits and vegetables, you remove those food which is very high in terms of calorie and fat. Secondly, it helps you digest your food better, your digestive system become better, it flushes out all the bad fat from our body. And we all know you need to have 3 to 5 bowls of fruits and vegetables on a daily basis. And fifth, control your environment. Most of the times we go to buy something, we buy all the foods which we don't want to eat, which we know it's increasing our calorie intake, but still we buy them and stock in our house. So buying it, keeping it in house and then controlling that I won't eat, I should not go near to the fridge, is the worst way to work on your fitness. The best thing is don't buy them, because your environment is more powerful than your willpower. You cannot keep controlling things using your willpower. One point of time it will break apart, and then we eat everything whatever we had been keeping aside. So take care of your environment. And sixth, take care of the portion size which you eat. If you just reduce 10 to 20% of food intake, you will lose weight for sure if you take care of all the other aspects in terms of activities, in terms of sleeping time pattern and the time when you have food. So if you have 5 chapati, instead if you cut 1 or 2 chapati, that itself cuts down to almost 300 to 350 calories. So you have to see what portion size which you use to eat. Sometimes we get in a big plate how much ever rice you want, how much ever dal you want. So that way we have no control over how much food goes inside our body. So when you measure it and then when you eat, that's when you will control the calorie intake as well. Parallelly, when you have a lot of raw fruits and vegetables, chances are you will not eat too much of cooked meal. And seventh, keep yourself active. The best way which I have found to be active during this lockdown also is keep walking. When you have to drink water, don't tell someone to bring water and then drink. After meal you can walk for 15-20 minutes. After dinner you can walk for some times. When you are listening or talking to someone, you can walk for some times. So at least track 10,000 steps a day. That should make sure that your activity levels are intact. And the 8th one, add protein sources in all your meals. When you increase the quantity of protein, you feel full for longer period of time. Secondly, when you are losing fat, you have to make sure that you are losing your fat, not your muscles. Many of times when there is a deficiency of protein, people end up losing their muscles, not their fat. And when they gain fat, they don't gain muscles, because it's not easy to gain muscles. So take care of your protein intake. Make sure you add proteins in every one of your meals. And the last but not the least is consistency, which is my favorite one, because anything you start, if you don't be consistent for longer period of time, you would not see result. So you might be excited about starting your weight loss journey. You will continue for few days, but if you don't find the result which you are expecting, please don't get depressed. Continue that journey, because your body takes some time to understand things. You start something which you are piling up from last so many years. Suddenly by changing diet, you will not see the weight result overnight. So continue that for some period of time and you will see magic happening in your life. Not only you will lose weight, but you will have better health in terms of different aspects.